This video is very important if you are someone who are very beginner at the email marketing. So I'm going to answer this particular question to you, that why you should subscribe to this particular channel, right? So there are so many channels in the YouTube for the email marketing purposes. So many people are creating the content. They are better than me, they are greater than me, they have more money than me, they have every single thing which is greater than me, right? But why you should subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, right? So first of all, if you are someone who are aspiring to become a business owner, and who is aspiring to become a entrepreneur right now, so I think you should support me, because I need your support basically. So I'm creating the content right now just to make sure that I can provide real value to the people right now in the YouTube. To be very honest with you, I think I'm not the great at email marketing, but I'm learning about email marketing, and that is the only reason why I'm creating the content right now in the YouTube, just to make sure that for my vision, for my businesses thing, because I'm a copywriter. So I wanted to provide email copywriting services to the people, but I need to make sure that I'm doing something different than all the email copywriters right now, right? So that is the only reason why I'm creating the email marketing content right now. I'm reading books about it, I'm trying to create my email list, and in that particular period of time I will take the knowledge from the books, I will take the knowledge from my practical experience, and I will create the videos about that particular thing in the YouTube, and I will create the post in the Instagram, right? So that is my vision, that is what I am thinking as a small business owner. If you are buying this particular belief, definitely you can subscribe to our channel. But one thing I will promise in this particular channel right now is that no matter what kind of a content which you are getting right now, I will improve this particular content over a period of time. You can able to see so much of content improvement from my end in the future, and you will feel very proud about it that you subscribe to this particular channel. So that is the only reason why you should subscribe to this particular channel. If you are someone who wants to learn about email marketing, but you want to learn from a very humble person, very genuine person, I think you should subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Your host Shivam. Thank you so much.